This is News Channel 8 on your side at 5:30.
Powerful winds from a hurricane can tear buildings apart and in an instant turn flying debris into deadly missiles. Researchers at Florida International University have a way to recreate a hurricane to test the strength of a building. News Channel 8's John Rogers introduces us to FIU's Wall of Wind.
In August 1992, South Florida was met head-on by the destructive power of Hurricane Andrew. With wind gusts reaching 175 miles an hour, the Category 5 storm left a swath of ruins in its wake. Many buildings in Andrew's path couldn't stand a chance. And in this massive lab, scientists are working to be better prepared if a similar storm strikes again.
What Hurricane Andrew created in the real world, we now create Hurricane Andrew here.
This is the Wall of Wind at Florida International University, where scientists can simulate an actual storm. Each of these 12 fans are 6 feet tall. That's as tall as I am. And together, they can mimic a Category 5 hurricane. This is more than a wind tunnel. The Wall of Wind can create rain. And these towering spires change the direction of the wind, creating turbulence. And you can't help but notice these wooden triangles. They play an important role.
Because as a wind blows, a hurricane wind, it's slower at the ground surface than it is at higher levels. In the real world, buildings, trees, things like that.
They get in the way.
They get in the way. That's what this is to represent. Those buildings and trees at lower levels. Then you go higher, and the wind speed increases.
And the point of all of this is to test the overall strength of homes and buildings.
Anywhere from the window industry to solar panels to roofing components.
Walter Conklin is the laboratory manager at the Wall of Wind. He studies the aftermath of the tests.
We'll do an assessment, look around it, see what happened to it, and just come up with an idea of how we can make it stronger.
Not only can they learn how to strengthen homes and buildings, but scientists can see how to make buildings more water resistant, or how to create sturdier roof shingles. The research possibilities go on and on.
For every $1 you spend in mitigation, saves $4 in damage and cleanup. So it makes good fiscal sense.
FIU officials say Florida building codes have already changed thanks to the Wall of Wind.
It's imperative that all of us live in a safer home, work in a safer business. There aren't enough roadways to evacuate everyone.
And when future hurricanes hit the U.S., these researchers hope the work done here can save lives. In Miami, John Rogers, News Channel 8.